Tenel is a very fascinating sort of story because it was started in 1962 by Ken Tenel. As the company started to evolve into life sciences, we realized that we had something fairly unique in that we bring, and we've hired people in here who have a deep knowledge of the pharmaceutical and life sciences industries. So we know the business inside and out. We know how products are developed, we know how they're manufactured. We understand the science and technology, we understand the quality. And by bringing the science and technology and quality together, it's actually formed a bit of a unique situation for Tenel. We've made a conscious decision to not use a pyramid model where you start with very, very junior people in the firm. We bring on seasoned consultants who know exactly what the problems are when they walk in the door. The majority of our people have at least 10 or 15 years of experience in life sciences. We focus in three major areas on the commercial side, and that is in operational and process improvement, in quality and compliance, and in technical services. In 2006, we decided to diversify a little bit with our life sciences background into the federal government. And that business now represents about a third of who we are. Our consultants in the government are working on some really critical missions for this country. And the people on those projects are extraordinarily proud of what they do and their contributions that they're making to this nation. So I think what you can hear is what we bring that's different to the consulting world to our clients is our deep scientific understanding and knowledge, our business knowledge, and we have an unbelievable ability to solve very difficult, complex problems. We've got our own methodology to help companies fix problems, remediate issues. We can set their vision, but most importantly, we can help them get there. It's about making it happen and adding value that's measurable for our clients.